Here's a triangle without a right angle. We'll call these lengths A, B and C, and this angle here is A. Notice that A is opposite A. Then I can draw a perpendicular, label this side H and label this length just from there to there X. Now if you use Pythagoras in this triangle, then h squared plus x squared equals b squared. And if I think about this triangle, this length from here to here is c minus x. So I can use Pythagoras in this triangle. H squared plus c minus x squared equals a squared. Let's now subtract these two equations. The h squareds disappear, so I get x squared minus c minus x squared equals b squared minus a squared. Let's now expand that bracket, so I've got x squared minus, and then I get c squared minus 2xc plus x squared, that equals b squared minus a squared. Now x squared minus x squared is nothing, so I'll end up with minus c squared plus 2xc. It's plus because it's minus minus. Minus c squared plus 2xc equals b squared minus a squared. Let's add a squared to both sides. Let's add c squared to both sides. And then let's take away that 2xc from both sides. What's x? Well, x is this length from here to here. If we think about this right-angled triangle, the cosine of A equals x divided by b. In other words, x equals b cos A. So let's put that back into this formula here. So I've got, instead of x, I can write 2bc cos A. So this is the cosine rule, which works for any triangle regardless of the angles. So let's think how this could be useful. Suppose we've got a triangle and we know we want to find out this length here, and I know that that angle there is 50 degrees, this side here is 5, this side here is 6. How can I work out what A is? Well, a squared equals, now this formula has the other two sides squared and added, so that's 5 squared plus 6 squared, and it's minus 2 times bc, again it's the same sides as before, minus 2bc, and then it's the cosine of A. A is the angle opposite A, so it's 50 in this case. So that's 5 squared plus 6 squared, that's 25 plus 36, that's 61, and 2 times 5 times 10 is 60 cos 50. Now it's a common mistake now to do 61 minus 60 and then say it's 1 cos 50, that's not right. Think of the rules from BODMAS, we sometimes call it, so we multiply before we subtract. So it's 61 minus whatever 60 cos 50 is. 60 cos 50 is 38.567, so it's 61 minus 38.567256658. 61 minus that works out to be 22.432744342. So A is the square root of that, which is 4.74 to 3 sig figs.